Radhe Radhe, welcome my channel Bhagwan Gyan Deepak. All of you, I think you will also find in how to motivate by Bhagavad Gita. According to Bhagavad Gita, chapter 14, verses 9. According to Gita says to everybody, for human beings, human civilization, human mental development in the world. Please listen. Sattvam sukhe sanjyati rajah karmani bharata jnanama vridhyatu mama tamah prasade sanjayatyutam. Means ocean of Bharata, the mode of godliness, conditions on 1 to happiness, person conditions 1 to fruitive action and ignorance, covering one's knowledge, but binds one to madness, that a person in the mood of goodness is satisfied by his work and intellectual pursuit, just as a philosopher, scientist or educator may be engaged in particular field of the knowledge and may be satisfied in that way. A man in the mode of person many me engaged in fruitive activities, he owns as much as he can and spends for good causes. Sometimes he tries to open hospitals, given to charity institution, etc. These are sign of one in the mood of person, and the mode of ignorance covers knowledge in the mood of ignorance. Whatever one does is good neither for him nor for anyone. Then 14 chapter in 10 verse. Rajas stavascha भूमि भूय सत्वं भवति भारत रजः सत्वं तमस्वे तमः सत्वं रजस्तथा. Sometimes the mode of godness become prominent, defeating the modes of person and ignorance, ocean of Bharat. Sometimes the mode of passion defeat goodness and ignorance, and at other times ignorance defeats goodness and passion. In this way there is always competitive for supremacy. When the mood of person is permanent, the modes of godness and ignorance are defeated. When the mode of goodness is prominent, passion and ignorance are defeated, and when the mode of ignorance is prominent, passion and godness are defeated, this competition is always going on. Therefore, one who is actually intent on advancing in Krishna consciousness has to transcend these three modes. The prominence of some certain mood of nature manifesto is one's dealing in his activity, in eating, etc. all the will be explained in later chapter. But if one wants, he can develop by practice the mood of godness and thus different moods of ignorance and person. One can similarly develop the mood of patience and defeat goodness and ignorance, or one can develop the mode of ignorance and defeat goodness and patience. Although there are these three modes of material nature, if one is determined, he can be blessed by the mode of goodness and transcending the mood of goodness, he can be situated in pure goodness, which is called the Vasudev state. The state is which one can understand the signs of God. It means clearly you have known how to meditate by Bhagavad Gita, how to understand by Bhagavad Gita. There are three types of gun: Shatogun, Rajogun and Tamogun. Then pure devotional service is the one, and non-devotional service but only devotional on the second, and non-devotional service is third, means Tamogun. Thank you all of you and God bless you. Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.